The hidden truth of the universe. In the beginning, there was no beginning. There was no time, no space, no before or after. There was only potential. And then from the silence came a spark, not of light or sound, but of pure being. A seed of infinity cracked open, and from it poured everything: time, space, matter, energy, possibilities. The universe wasn't born with a violent bang. It wasn't chaos, it was a breath. An exhale from something so vast, so far beyond comprehension, that even the word God feels too small. We call it the Big Bang, but what if it wasn't the first? What if it wasn't the only one? What if this universe is just one pulse in an endless heartbeat, one note in an eternal song? You see, some of the greatest minds in physics whisper about the cyclic model. Universes are born, they expand, they age, and then they collapse. Space folds in on itself, time unwinds, and all that is returns to the void until the next breath. So here's the first truth. This might not be the only universe. And you might not be living this life for the first time, but it goes deeper. The stars above you aren't just distant balls of fire. They are forges. Every atom in your body, the carbon in your skin, the calcium in your bones, the iron in your blood, was born in the death throes of ancient stars. You are made of stardust, not metaphorically, literally, but here's what almost no one realizes. You are not a tiny, insignificant speck floating in a vast, indifferent cosmos. You are the cosmos. The universe isn't out there. It's in here. Every thought you've ever had, every emotion, every dream is a ripple in the field of reality. Some scientists say consciousness is an accident, a side effect of evolution. But others suspect something far stranger, that consciousness is fundamental, that it existed before matter, before time, that the universe needed to become conscious of itself, so it became you. Think about it. When you dream, your mind creates entire worlds, people, landscapes, stories. To the dream characters, those worlds feel real. What if reality itself is a dream? What if the laws of physics are just the rules of a simulation so advanced we mistake its code for truth? And what about the 95% of the universe we can't see, the dark matter and dark energy holding galaxies together? What if that darkness isn't empty? What if it's alive? A hidden web connecting all things, the source of intuition, déjà vu, and the strange feeling you've been here before. Here's another secret. Time isn't what you think it is. You experience it as a river, flowing from past to future. But physicists now say the past, present, and future may all exist simultaneously, like pages in a book already written. So maybe your life isn't just a fleeting moment. Maybe it's eternal. And here's the final truth. You are not here by accident. The odds of you existing, you exactly as you are so impossibly small that some say it's proof we live in a design reality. But maybe the designer isn't separate from the design. Maybe the universe isn't cold or indifferent. Maybe it's alive. And maybe it's been waiting for you to remember what you really are. Because you are not small. You are not powerless. You are the universe, dreaming itself awake. And every thought you have sends ripples across eternity. So when you look up at the night sky and feel something staring back, you're right. The universe is looking at itself. Through your eyes, you are the hidden truth.